Introducing Nada plugins for Windows. Nada plugins bring beautifully inspired physics models of Indian, Chinese, and Western instruments to your Windows DAW. Each instrument is based on years of research and features expressive multidimensional controls like expression, overblow, growl, flutter, harmonics, and more. Choose from 5 different collections or get all instruments at a discounted price. All plugins are available as VST3 for Windows.
Introducing Nada for Windows.
On your first visit to the Monforte user profile, you'll be asked to create an account. Click on Sign Up and enter your email address. You'll receive an email to verify your account. Click on Access My Monforte account, and you will be logged into your profile. In the KVR Marketplace, search for Nada Windows. Click on the Buy button and then click on Checkout. You will be asked to enter your payment credentials, and once the transaction is complete, you'll be presented with an invoice. You will also receive an email with a link to your profile on Monforte.com, as well as your license code for your Nada for Windows plugin. Go to your profile on Monforte.com and you will see a redeem box where you can paste in your license key.
You'll be taken to your account where you will see your purchase. You'll see the license key as well as a link to download the installer. Go ahead and copy the license key, you'll need it in a few moments, and click the download button to start the download of the Nada for Windows installer. Click Yes to launch the installer. Follow the steps in the installer to complete the installation. The first time a host, such as Reaper, uses the plugin, you'll need to enter the license key. In this example, we're creating a virtual instrument in Reaper. Choose the plugin from Reaper's plugin browser, and the plugin will be loaded. Paste the license key that you saved earlier and click on the Activate button. The installer installed all of the Nada for Windows plugins. So if you wish to enable one of the other plugins, all you need to do is make the purchase, get the license, load the plugin, and activate it. In your profile, you can activate a license for up to 3 machines, and you can also deactivate licenses. Each of the Nada plugins has a similar user interface. There's a set of tabs. This tab is used to activate your license. This tab exposes a number of parameters for the model. There are also a number of parameters available over here. And if you float, you can see the name of the parameter. There are also a number of key switches to select important performance parameters like staccato or legato. Under the MIDI tab, you can find MIDI mappings. It's very important that you provide some control mapped to expression, which is typically an expression pedal or breath headset. Under this tab with tuning, you can create alternative temperaments. There are several MIDI play modes like single channel with an expression pedal, MPE MIDI mode 3 like a Seaboard, MIDI mode 4 like a Linstrument, MIDI mode 4 like GeoShred, and auto polyphony. There's also built-in reverb, and you can play with a number of controls including room size, wetness level, and dryness level. You can control the Nada for Windows plugins using a single channel MIDI controller with a source of expression, either an expression pedal or a breath headset, or a wind controller, or an MPE controller.
And you can even download the free GeoShred Control MPE controller to control the Nada for Windows plugins.